Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree haul, and it's kind of a different Dollar Tree haul. Because I went to a different location. It's like the third closest location to my house. It's about 35 minutes away and it is beautiful. I really need to get up there more often and do a walkthrough and just browse around a little bit more. And I will, but I did go there yesterday with my husband, and with him we tend to look at more of the food than I do when I'm on my own. So we picked up quite a few food items and I wanted to share them with you today. So if you're new to my channel, I love to do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented content, hauls, walkthroughs, and I love to test like new makeup from there when I can, all that kind of thing. So if that sounds good to you, you're definitely in the right place. Please hit that subscribe button. It does help me and my channel out so very much, and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning, welcome back for another haul. And as always, I'll have relevant content linked down below in the description. That way you can binge watch more content like this if you're interested in this kind of thing. And I will have my makeup listed down below in the description box as well. That way, if you're interested in anything that I'm wearing, you can check it out. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I think a couple of hauls ago, I had hauled some Sunny D because my husband likes the size of the container that you can find at the Dollar Tree, which is this one right here. It is the 56 fluid ounce. There's one that's smaller that we find at the grocery store, and of course one that's bigger. But he likes this size here. It's just the easiest for him to pour. So we got two of just the Tangy Original. He just likes to drink a cup of this a day. He just really enjoys it, and it is really tasty. If you've never had it before, of course, they used to call it Sunny Delight. Back in the day, you know, they shorten things now to make them sound cooler, I guess. But we got two of the original. It's a bonus size. It's got 40% more than the 40 fluid ounce bottle. So yes, so we picked up two of those, and then he really liked this flavor as well. This is the orange strawberry, and we actually saw that they had like I think it was like a pink lemonade or like a raspberry lemonade. I think they had a lemonade, and I think they had like another flavor as well. So he really likes both of these. There's another one that he's tried before. It's called like Smooth. He's gotten that at the grocery store as well. But yeah, so we got him 3 of those while we were there yesterday, because the other day he went to our closest Dollar Tree and they didn't have them that day. So when we went out shopping yesterday, he wanted to pick some up. So we got 3 of those. And then we got 2 of these Lay's stacks. We got the original and we got the mesquite barbecue. I didn't personally see what other flavors they had. I was over shopping somewhere else, but really it's not a bad deal. It was really good when it was $1. $1.25 probably not as much, although I do not know how much they are like currently at like Walmart. I'll have to check that out. I think there was a time they were like $1 or less like at Walmart, and then like Dollar Tree they were $1. So, but with price hikes now, that was like a while back, so who knows. But yeah, for $1.25, definitely a really good deal. Really nice snack. You know, I like them every bit as much as Pringles personally, so we picked up 2 of those. So my husband's weakness is potato chips. We really don't keep them around very much anymore. So he'll snack on almonds, but he has to be a little bit careful because of like some diverticulitis issues. So when he wants a little something crunchy, a couple of these go a really long way. So we do, and I snack on these too myself. I didn't used to like pork rinds, but now I kind of do. So we got this Brims brand. Now we found a really great brand at our local grocery store called, I think, Bacon Nuts. They're excellent. You know, pork rinds sometimes get really crunchy. Like you get little hard pieces that really are kind of inedible. The Bacon Nuts are wonderful. They're crunchy, they're light, they're kind of soft, you know, delicious. But they really only have a couple flavors that my husband likes. And so like we're just willing to try some other things. So we found this Brims brand at the Dollar Tree. And so we got a barbecue flavored. This has hickory smoke added, and this is actually quite a big bag. It's 4 ounces, which it says it's a bonus size bag, 50% more than the 2.625 ounce bag, which this one here is. So of course they were the same price, and this one's much smaller, but he really likes salt and pepper flavored chips and pork rinds and things like that. So we just wanted to try them. So we got this bag as well. It's salt and pepper flavored, and like I said, it's 2.625 ounces. So we just wanted to give them a try and just see what they were all about. Like I said, a small handful of these go a long way. I think they're a lot more filling than potato chips. So he eats these in moderation in lieu of the abundance of chips he used to eat. And then I think you saw in a previous walkthrough, they have like a ton of moon pies. at Dollar Tree, at least at a couple of the locations near me, which I never knew. I think they have, you know, they have like chocolate, vanilla, the strawberry, and they have double decker, and they have like little minis. I've actually got some mini vanilla ones in my car, and the size is like just perfect for a little snack. But we've never tried the salted caramel. So we got a package of the double decker salted caramel flavor. And in this you get 3 of them. So we're excited to try this flavor. Like I said, I think I've had banana, orange, strawberry, and of course vanilla. And so we wanted to try this flavor as well. Definitely comment down below if you've had this flavor of moon pies. Definitely let me know what you think of these, and I will definitely let you know. Definitely intrigued. Usually I like anything salted caramel. And I love the texture of a moon pie. I love like the bite of the cookie, and then you have like the chew of the marshmallow. So I love a good moon pie. Then for like a little snack for my husband, since he is doing so much better, like watching his weight overall, his weight, his calories, you know, sodium, fat, carbs, all that kind of thing, everything in moderation. He thought this was really, really interesting. So this is the Nature's Garden Mountain Trail Mix. And they actually had a tropical flavor as well. So here it is, you get 4 1-ounce bags of this trail mix. Each one has 130 calories and 4 grams of protein. It's got salted peanuts, raisins, M&Ms, milk chocolate candies, salted almonds, and salted cashews. So again, just a nice little portioned snack. So see, you get this little bag here, and it's not a lot, but sometimes something like this is just good to have in your purse to take the edge off. Sometimes it can just get you from point A to point B until you can get a meal or something healthier. So, and it's always delicious. I always think like a mountain trail mix like this tastes like peanut butter and jelly. Because of the raisins and the peanuts, it tastes like peanut butter and jelly to me, in like a good way. But yeah, so we got some of these to try out for sure. Definitely handy to have. So I'd forgotten that we did also pick up the tropical version as well. Same thing, it's 4 1-ounce bags. Each bag has 110 calories, so it's a little less calories. And this has a blend of banana chips, which I love. I can make myself sick on some banana chips. Anyways, banana chips, raisins, dried papaya, dried pineapple, which I love, and dried coconut. So that sounds really, really good. So yeah, this has 1 gram of protein per bag. So it's a little bit more, it's a little less in calories, but it's also less in protein. So we'll definitely try them out and let you know. But again, just a really nice little thing to have for an emergency snack attack. Then you may have also seen in my last walkthrough, they have all these different types of like cakes. And there's 2 different brands. There's like Baker's Secret and Cake King. And there's actually 2 brands. There's Cake King and Baker's Select. So we've got this Baker's Select brand. This is the Cinnamon Crumble. This comes with 5 individually wrapped cakes. And so they're just these like little cinnamon cakes. And all the boxes say try me hot. So I guess what you can do is they have heating instructions. You move it from the plastic, put it on a plate, and you microwave for 10 seconds at 750 watts. Just watch it, I guess. Then let it stand. And so it'll get really, really warm. And so that sounds delicious. So each one of these has 120 calories. Not too bad. It says it has no trans fat, no high fructose corn syrup, no palm oil, and no GMOs. So just, again, a nice little snack. Let's see the size of them. They're probably not very big, but all this stuff is kind of shrunk in size. Even like little Debbie's and stuff, I feel they're all so much smaller than they were when I was a kid. Do you feel that way too? Is that my imagination, or is it just that I'm not a kid anymore? Definitely, please let me know. Yeah, now these are pretty tiny, literally probably about 2 bites for most people. But again, just a nice little snack. And like I said, we're kind of watching it around here. So sometimes we just need like a little bite of something, you know what I mean? And really a whole big cake goes to waste in my house. So something like this is really nice, just to have a little something sweet after dinner. Then we also wanted to try the Cake King brand of the cinnamon crumb cake bites. And these are actually, again, it says the same thing, no high fructose corn syrup. Again, try me hot. And it's the same instructions. And I kind of wonder if this is the same company. I don't know. But like I said, in my last walkthrough, you'll see that they have a ton of different flavors, kind of between the 2 brands. An amazing selection. They even have some savory ones, which sound delicious as well. So this one here is actually a better deal, and I kind of wonder if it's a different brand, because for the same amount of money, you get 8 individually wrapped cakes in here. And isn't that just adorable? Like I said, just enough to take the edge off, just a little something. I know me, I don't like a lot of sweet, but I do like a little bit of sweet. So far between the two, this is a much better deal. I thought they were double wrapped, so I thought there were 4 packs of 2. I was wrong about that, but I prefer them this way. And, but yeah, we'll let you know if there's like a difference between the two, if these are better than these. I don't know. If you've tried either one of these, is there one that's better? Definitely let me know down below, and I will definitely let you know what I think. So I'll have my Dollar Tree haul and my Dollar Tree walkthrough playlists up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this if you enjoy these types of videos. But before you do, please hit that like button. It helps me and my channel out so much. Comment, let me know what you think of any of these items if you have tried them before. And thank you so much for your continued support and for watching. And I will see you next time.